Is he coming with you tonight?
There you go. Get that on the throat.
Oh, Charlie, watch out. Stay with him.
Maggie.
She's standing there. I wish she'd move. Oh no. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on up. Turn into him. Don't let him do that. Don't let him do it. Up. Here we go. Come on, Charlie. Keep coming up. Don't let him do that. There you go. Up. He's too high. Come on. Now turn into him.
Weight group 55, high school division, mat number 12. Taking second place, Demetrius Mardov. Big Red Wrestling. Taking first place, Darius Flowers. Big Red Wrestling. I need Demetrius from Big Red Wrestling and Darius from Big Red Wrestling Club. Come get your medals, guys. Or a head coach from Big Red Wrestling Club.
Get behind. Get behind. Spin behind.
I need Coach Flecky or Coach Reeder to the head table. Coach Flecky or Coach Reeder to the head table.